My current role at the moment is that I am actually the club secretary here in Kappa. I'm also involved with the Munster Handball Council, where I'm the administrator. I'm also sitting on National CCC for handball, and I also do refereeing in that as well. One of the persons in the club over the year that would have influenced me a lot would be the treasurer, Sean O'Grady. He was always our guiding light and the height of sense for the club. Here is where we won Club of the Year in 2005, accepting it with my brother Tony, who was later become president of the association. My journey began when I was about 13. Played in a lot of championships in the county in that first. But I got hurt in a shoulder a long time ago when I was young, and it started to give me trouble. But I began to concentrate mainly then on the double side. I suppose the lucky thing for me was that my doubles partner is also my best friend, Tim O'Shea. Once we started playing together, we began to enjoy it even more. We won a number of provincial titles together, and we won All Irelands in both codes in the 40x20 and 60x30. Handball is hard to believe that how many countries is actually played in the Worlds. My first involvement in Worlds was in 1988 when I travelled to Australia for the World Championships. Then when I started coaching here at home, so the big thing was the Worlds in Ireland in 2003. I had coached a number of players for that, and it accumulated in Seamus O'Connell when he won the 13 under singles and the doubles title. So he brought the first World's titles to the club. I've coached a number of world champions in my time. People say that I've done well with the coaching and that, but I always highlight to everybody is I'm not the individual inside in the court, following this ball around the court or trying to win the game. It's the player themselves. And that's what gives me the kick out of it, to see what they get out of it, what they put into it, and the return is huge. I'm volunteering over 40 years at this stage. The one thing is I enjoy it so much, because I have got so much out of handball in my lifetime, between playing, training, travel, coaching. It is nice to give something back. To be recognised, I suppose, especially for the contribution that you've done for your sport, is a big achievement for me, and it's a huge honour.